Lesson 1. Algebra Fundamentals. Surds, Indices, and Logarithms. Start with surds. To simplify expressions like the difference between root 12 and 4 times root 27, always reduce every surd to its simplest form first. Both can be written in terms of root 3, allowing you to easily combine like surds. When rationalizing a fraction with a denominator like 2 plus root 5, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate, which is 2 minus root 5. Next, let's look at indices. A fractional index combines a root, which is the denominator, with a power, which is the numerator. So 8 to the power of 2/3 means taking the cube root of 8, which is 2, and squaring it to get 4. You can then multiply this by other terms, like 4 to the power of -1/2, which equals 1 over the square root of 4, giving 1/2. Finally, let us discuss logarithms. The addition law states that the sum of two logs with the same base equals the log of their product. This is crucial for solving logarithmic equations. Also, remember the change of base formula. To find log base 9 of 27, you can change to a common base like the natural log, dividing ln 27 by ln 9. Equivalently, you can think of it as finding what power you raise 9 to get 27, which directly gives you 3/2.